nginokuzibuza mama yazi, and I think it's because of this show, since I started shooting this show. Kungabe isintu sethu sisaziqhenya ngaso? Kungabe isintu sethu sisasibeka phambili? Kungabe isintu sethu sisasipractice? Listening to you manje mawuthi umuntu ongumama kuneyindawo ongamele anyathele kuzo. But anyway, I hope the Munchies as well, they can also help us. They can also answer me, because I worry. But you can also answer me.
No, I think silahlekile kakhulu. But at the same time, ekulahlekeni kwethu, I'd like to believe in the thina ke ngusila generation that is actually fetching. Silanda. Uyazi la ngomithi masiyembo.
Sing it for me.
Masiyembo singaba phina thina. Masiyembo singaba khona.
I don't know.
Embo basically it's our land before it was tainted. Masibuyele kundalasha.
Masibuyele masisweni.
Masibuyele masikweni. I think each generation yethu 70s upwards sithi ababuyelembo abazali bethu I think they lost touch with isiko. Ibo abalahlwe iBhayibheli kakhulu. Abazali bethu, my mother is still alive, so intanga zakhe bangono Bhayibheli, bangono Roy Baki eweseli. Nothing wrong with that.
No, there's nothing wrong. Yeah, there's nothing wrong.
Mothers Union kuzo zonke ezicawa. Some of these churches zide zithi awenziwa amasiko. So ufumanisa into ba abazali will be like ayenziwe into ethila apha ekhaya. You understand? Bona they ngizathina baphile during a time when our ancestral spirits bebengeka, how do I put it?
Bengakavuki or
Yes.
take over.
There's
right
a
now,
new movement.
Yeah.
We understand. So Bona, they were able, all they did, most of them are nurses and teachers. That's all they are. Even domestic workers were able to build families and homes like brick and mortar.
Wow.
Some of us are educated, but awukwazi ubeka isitena kokwenu. Asinawo lo mandla lawo. Siyagula. Our ancestors are demanding a lot from us, are demanding attention. They never demanded from our parents. So abazali bethu ngathi siyaphambana thina. They ask themselves ukuthi thina we were able to live life singazange sazenze izinto. Nitheni ningathi siphambene.
I love it when you say nitheni. It's just a question. You know what? Let me just ask this question to the Munchies that are watching us. Why? So I just want to understand, like your own view. Why exactly? Why now? Like your own view, your own thoughts. And you might win yourself a book. And maybe you might win yourself. Remember, I'm a chef still. So I might decide to do another sitting. Long table. And then I just cook for you guys. And then we just do this. Because that's what I'm planning for November, December.
Wow, nice.
So you'll never know. We just want to understand your thoughts on what Mama is saying. And who knows, you might take part of winning yourself a copy and come and have dinner or lunch or brunch. Yeah, let's just, like, man. Let's check.
Yeah.
Yes.